So if heat is heck, what do you call this week?
Triple heck. Heck cubed. Let's talk about your forecast. And I love how topical he was talking about how it's going to impact our produce. Now, something else you have to think about when it's hot like that, you know, you can't leave the medicine in your car. Like sometimes you like maybe.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, it can alter your medicine. I saw something on that the other day, so I thought I'd just throw that tidbit in. Okay, let's take a look outside. Boy, does it look hot just yet? Yeah, a little bit. Do you see a cloud? No, I don't see a cloud. Can you buy a cloud? No, can't buy them either. Let's take a look at what's happening over the course of the next several days. First alert action days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday into Sunday. So essentially the entire holiday week. It's a long duration heat wave right in the peak of summer, nearing the peak of wildfire season. A lot of things are coming together that are probably not so favorable when you start talking about benign weather. Valley highs more than 110 degrees. High fire danger is in our forecast beginning tonight throughout the day, Tuesday and Wednesday, as we're going to be looking at some gusty winds from time to time. And we could be looking at some possible power outages. So this is a big week for us weather-wise. Excessive heat warning. Take another look at it. Redding all the way down to Stockton into Modesto, parts of the hills, and also back almost near the coastline here. Delta moving into the North Bay locations. This begins 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, running until 8 o'clock Saturday night. The hottest locations will be here. That is the heat in the evening and mild temperatures expected in the overnight. Here's a look at the red flag warning. So these are the areas that are expected to pick up the gustiest winds. That begins tonight, runs through Wednesday, 8 o'clock. CAL FIRE says if you live in a red flag warning, you should have an evacuation plan in place just in case. Winds will be gusting around 25 to 30 miles per hour coming out of the north. So not only are they gusty winds, they are dry winds, which will lower our relative humidity, which will make it even faster as far as fire starts. High pressure across the west. Yeah, we got a huge dome of high pressure moving in. The air is going to be sinking, it compresses and it warms, and that dome of high pressure is moving in right now. But here's the thing, it's running up against a low pressure system right here. And as it starts to come in and it can't really get here, it creates a tight pressure gradient. And that's where these northerly winds are coming in. Winds circulating around that high pressure system. That's the dry wind that we're talking about, and the gusty wind because of the high trying to move in and the lows not moving out just yet. Now, by the time we start to get to Wednesday and Thursday, the high pressure system will declare residency. It will be the sole resident, and it is going to stick around for a while. That's going to give us some of the hottest temperatures. You won't be talking so much about gusty winds, but we will be talking about dangerous and deadly heat. Forecast for today: 103 in Sacramento, 105 in Marysville, 103 in Stockton, 103 in Modesto. Take a look at the next few days, and this will get your attention. 108 coming in for tomorrow, 110 for Wednesday, 107 for the 4th of July. That's hot, and 108 coming in for Friday. So here's the rub. When temperatures are that hot, look at the breakdown. So what's the hottest time of the day? Like, what are the times of the day you want to avoid being outside? Well, look at this. 1 o'clock in the afternoon is 104. 4 o'clock is 108. And 7 o'clock is 104. That is a long time. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. First alert action days through the weekend. That's your weather. Stick around. We'll be right back.